This here is a story about three men: an outlaw, a lawman, bounty hunter, and a tracker. They all converge in a small mining town, but not all of them will leave alive. That is the way of the Old West. You live by your wits.
You be the one they call Gideon? The tracker?
That depends on who's asking, stranger.
I be Ezra Buchanan, Texas Ranger.
That is the way of the Old West. You live by your wits. The less wits you have, the shorter your life is. I miss the old days and survival of the fittest. The weak and stupid are eaten by the wicked. Sometimes you need a man living on the edge to set things right. Sometimes you need a Texas Ranger.
Texas Rangers! Fuck you, Ranger. Come up and get me. I got a warrant for your arrest, issued by the judge in Travis County. Well, are you gonna spit or whittle? All right, don't move, you son of a bitch. I'll blow your fucking head off.
And that is the way it was back in the olden days. In some places in Texas, that is still the way it is. So the lesson here is, don't mess with Texas. And if you make the mistake of bringing your commie ways from California and expecting to get a different result, you get what you're gonna get. Well, a wiser fella than myself once said, sometimes you eat the bar, and sometimes the bar, well, he eats you.